Hi Vivek, thank you so much for agreeing to do this podcast with us. And how are you doing?
Yeah, great, Bhavya. Thank you for the opportunity so that I can give some insights to the people who is watching this podcast. Thank you.
I'm sure that it's going to be useful. So,
Mm.
Vivek, tell us a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your family background, and also your educational background.
Okay, so I'm Vivekananda. I'm from Bangalore. So I studied and brought up in Bangalore only. So coming to my family, I have parents and sister. We stay in Bangalore only. So I have done my graduation in a Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication from Government SKSJTI. After that, I joined Amazon in 2020 when I graduated, and I served for 1 year actually. So then I quit my job for preparing for government exams for around 2 years. Like from 2020 to 2021, I was serving in Amazon for FBA support ops as an investigation specialist. After that, I took 2 years of career gap and I was preparing for government exams. Then in 2023, I couldn't clear actually. So I came back to Amazon. I was called back for a different department, same role. So then, yeah, and then I joined OdinSchool there itself when I came back in May from my career gap along with my job. Yeah,
It's
that's it
pretty
about me.
interesting story with a lot of twists and turns, but I'm sure that you are where you are supposed to meant. I mean, where you are meant to
Yeah.
be. So that's great. Like your journey is amazing. So tell us about your current role and where are you working?
So I'm working as a data analyst in Flipkart Health Plus to be precise. So I look after supply chain. Yeah.
So how was your interview process for this job? Like, was it difficult? Was it easy? How many
Uh,
rounds were there? Tell us a
It
little
was
bit
it,
about that.
it was a kind of intermediate actually. So the first round will start from HR screening. So HR will call you and she will ask what is your role, what role you are looking for, or like what is your expected CTC or what is your CTC, and will you come in our budget and all. And then she will ask whether you know SQL or whatever Python or like advanced Excel. She will ask that and she will say that. And she told me that you have you should sit for first round, and then subsequent 3 rounds will be there, and then we will have the conversation. And coming to the second round was with the senior manager or the hiring manager. So it was about he asked me about a couple of things about data science, like how do you deal with data, and what you say, and my role which I do in Amazon, like my previous role or whatever. So then he asked me a few questions about SQL and a little bit of advanced Excel. So after that I had an coding round with the team lead. So there he gave me a couple of questions on SQL, like it was intermediate, and he made me to code. So after that, the last round was a negotiation round with the HR of the salary, and that's it. I was given the offer.
That's good. Okay. So how's your experience with OdinSchool?
So yeah, I told you right. I got to know about OdinSchool. I am a kind of research guy. I research at least like 1 month before joining any of the schools. So I researched the market. Like you have so many schools. Why OdinSchool only? So it was like I saw the curriculum first, actually. So curriculum and also the pricing, everything. So was about my budget. So after coming from my government exam preparation in May 2023, I thought of joining OdinSchool. And in June or July batch, I think, DS30 batch, I joined there actually. And it was 6 months journey with OdinSchool. And I had a good, what do you say, good upskilling with OdinSchool. I started with Dr. Sandeep sir's class, statistics, where he gave one word which still today I remember, that being a data analyst is not about being data analyst, it's about the domain experience which you have. So the domain experience matters. Like for example, you are a data analyst in an automobile industry, you are a data analyst in an e-commerce industry, you can be a data analyst in health like industry. So that word still buzzes me inside my head, The first day, first words of Dr. Sandeep sir, who teaches statistics, who taught statistics to us. After that, I was introduced to SQL by Abid. Abid, now she's a manager, program manager in OdinSchool. So I got to know what SQL. Seriously, I didn't know what SQL was. But I had bit of what you say touch with SQL because I learned during my engineering days. So we were never exposed to database management and anything in our engineering because we are from electronics. So I got to know something about SQL, and then today I'm working in SQL and what do you say, Looker Studio, which is like Power BI brother or sister, whatever you can say. So that helped me a lot, Abid's classes. And one thing about OdinSchool is that you give projects and you ask Viva. So that will be like interview preparation only. And you give marks for that and give a comment on that saying that you have to improve on this, you have to improve on this. And another thing which I felt very good was like there will be some like 30 to 40 people in the batch. So like see we will see all those presentations and all those Vivas, and we will also start learning. Arey, yaar, next mine is there. I have to don't know what they will ask, and we will be listening their answers, and we will be preparing. So we will also get preparation from that helped me a lot in Viva because I don't know how interviews go as a tech in a tech roles actually. So I was working for operations in Amazon, so I didn't know how tech roles will be, the interviews will go on. So that helped me a lot. And coming to this Power BI session from Sangamesh sir, I guess. Yeah, K. Sangamesh sir. So that was also very helpful to me. Uh, yeah, that's been a great journey with OdinSchool actually.
So nice. Like you were very specific about each and every topic. It's very nice to
Yes,
hear
yes,
such small details.
yes,
So,
yes.
how's your experience with the instructors? Like, how's your relationship with them?
Like I used to follow them on LinkedIn actually. Every
Oh,
instructors, I
okay.
used to follow. I used to search and follow them because LinkedIn has been a great platform. Like instructors also post their own this what you say contents or whatever they will repost or whatever you can say. So yeah, I've been following every instructor on LinkedIn, and it's been useful to me also. Like
That's great. That's great. So, did the mock interview sessions in Odin School, did they help in your actual interview?
yeah, yeah, mock interviews you have to attend. It will be very useful because I gave a couple of interviews after Flipkart. Like I had given like 4 to 5 interviews, so that helped me a lot. Even during the coding round, it helped me to at least like not say that I don't know anything and feel guilty. At least I gave some. I tried from my best. That helped me a lot. Mock tests and this TS. Like you have some portal where every preparations, resume preparation, everything is already available. Actually, that helps me a lot.
That's amazing.
And
So,
also the main part is that you have the data science library where you have all the this one like sessions including Azure, everything. So that will be very helpful for a person who is like apart from your this one videos, teaching videos. This library now also I go through them. Actually, I have bookmarked that page, Odin School ka page, bookmark them. And lab sessions, to be precise, labs, it's like good to have labs, which Odin School has lab sessions is like you can get hands-on practice, and you can practice there, and you can get a good hands-on on those things also.
right, absolutely right. So, one
Yeah.
last question for you. So, if you could give one advice to all our Odin grads, what would that
So I would suggest Odin grads to be very uh, promptful, truthful with your curriculum. It will help you a lot. And please do like go around the OdinSchool's website, like the cohort student this is there no portal. You will find so much of information. You have data science library. Actually I wanted to learn Azure actually, so I got to I was not I have not seen that Azure video in OdinSchool's data science library. I was learning from YouTube, and then it's there in OdinSchool. So please go around the OdinSchool's this one. Attend the Vivas. Do your projects promptly. Don't copy from anywhere, and do the capstone project. It will help you a lot, and you can put it in a resume also. And then learn some cloud technologies also, because cloud technology is very much important nowadays. They're asking everywhere. And you have to remember SQL, Advanced Excel, and Python is the bread and butter of data science. You have to learn that.
That's amazing. I must say that, you were very, very precise whenever you talk about anything, and you gave such amazing advices. You did not miss any part. You tried to fill this podcast with as much as useful information as possible. Thank you so much for that, and thank you so much for your time as well. It was amazing
Yeah.
talking.
Thank you, Bhavya, and thank you, OdinSchool, for giving this opportunity to share my knowledge.